Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to take a friends into your Instagram post on Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application, and now you just need to go into the post that you have, or if you want to start or uploading the new post, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that you just need to choose what post that you want to add or you want to upload into your Instagram. For example, this coffee. Okay, and after that you just need to go click next and go click next again, and here you just need to go click tag people and go click like a random place or a specific place that you want to choose to popping up the ID of your friend's Instagram. For example, in the middle of this coffee you want to tag your friends. You just need to like adding the ID of your friends, and after you find it you just need to click it, and now you just need to go click done. So that's all the way how to tag your friends on your Instagram account. If you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.